Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the before after teeth whitening photo edit in CapCut PC. So here you can start by adding a picture, for example a picture of someone smiling like this, and then copy and paste it. So there are two photos of this, and on the second one in here you can go to the retouch, enable the retouch feature, and after that here on the white teeth you can just swipe to the right and it will change just like this. And after that here you can go to the stock materials and add this white stock image or white background on CapCut. You can add it on top, and then here you can adjust the size. Go to mask and choose the mirror options. Rotate it like this and make it small into a white line like this. Then drag it at the center of the teeth just like this. Okay, so there are white lines I'm going to show you. This is the before, for example, and this is the after. And after this you can click on the second photo in here, on the second layer again, and do the same. Add some masking, rotate it into a 90 degrees, and also make it small. Put it, drag it here. Okay, to add the before and after or contrast to the teeth, you can just copy and paste the first photo to the second layer in here and choose masking to mask it on the rectangle shape. Adjust the size to this position. You can adjust it how you like it, and add a little bit feathering. And let's go to adjustment, and here you can play it with the thumb to make a yellow effect. You can see the teeth is now yellow like this. I'm going to go with 35, I think. If you want to, you can adjust the masking again to adjust the position. Let's see the result. Okay, so this is the final result, and this is the before, and here is the after. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.